Good.
This one's down. It's kind of, you have to go around to get to it. There you go. And then go around this one. You're ready, aren't you?
Time to go see the big world of Waxahachie. Ready? You ready? You ready for Nathan and Mama to come home?
Where's Nathan?
He's in the van. Daddy's gonna go get him, okay?
Excited?
Yes.
I wish I'd put on his little jumper thing.
Well, I was like, when's it coming home? I just put this one.
Yeah, thank you. I have a matching blue one for him.
Oh, really?
I had it in his bag at the hospital, but I didn't know how cool it was outside.
It's supposed to be like 80 something, but it's.
Feels cooler than that. Look, Maddie.
Oh, look who's here!
Who's here? Go show Nathan his room. Let's go show Nathan his room. Caitlin's in the bathroom exfoliating. Show Nathan his bed. Show Nathan his Mr. Potato Head LSU. No, not that. Look on the bottom.
The Mr. Potato Head, the toy.
No, show it to Nathan. He wants to see it.
Maybe when he wakes up, huh? Is he sleeping?
Yeah.
You want to put him in his bed or leave him there till he wakes up?
Let's just leave him there.